Hi, this is Aaron Richter, and this is the video for my final project for graphical application development in summer 2014. Now, this is the initial part of my project. It's an HTML5 and JavaScript, and it actually has a real-world application at my church. So this is the first page. It's a CD and DVD counter for our resource ministry, which sells the services immediately after they happen, a CD or a DVD of it, and people can come up to the counter and buy them. And the problem was trying to keep track of how many were sold so we know how many to make of each. Because obviously CDs and DVDs cost money, and if you make too many, then there's too many left over. So this enables the cashiers to keep track of how many they sell. So it's set up on a touchscreen monitor that I have a video that will be shown shortly, but it's a basic simple counter. You tap them when you want them, you can remove them, and you can reset them, and here's the live demonstration right now. This is the second part of my project, which enables um, the church to keep track of the CDs and the DVDs they sell after service. So this is where they're sold, and there's a little touchscreen monitor here running off of a machine. And so it's really basic. All you do is you tap the buttons when you want to count, and let's say you sell a couple, and then you can count those, and then if you accidentally add one, you can remove them there. And so this will allow us to keep track of how many CDs and DVDs we sell so we can make the proper amount. And then you can just hit reset when it's time to reset, and that's it. Alright, and this is the other part of it, almost the back end. So this is the logging of the CDs and DVDs that are sold. So it not only allows us to keep track of what's sold on the day and know what to make, but it also provides a history of what's sold. So this is just the graphical part of that. This is fake dummy data. I haven't yet connected both pieces yet, but since this is a graphical application development class, this is the graphical part. So there are charts and a table for what is sold. CDs are represented in green, DVDs are represented in purple, and it shows by the ID number, the date, and then the sales for each week. And so you can go over here, change the month, and the chart changes. You can also change between a bar chart and a line chart, and it'll change and update as you change it. And so this chart here is in the canvas. I can't take full credit for it. I use the chart plugin called chart.js and also the Bootstrap framework for this. And so that's how it works. You count your CDs and DVDs on this one. When you hit reset, it'll log the date, log what's happening, and then that will come over into here. That can be seen for analytics purposes. And that is my final project.